Hey, fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of action cameras, and we've got some exciting news for you. We're uncovering the best budget action cameras of 2024 that will capture every adrenaline-fueled moment without breaking the bank. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Number 5. SJCAM ASJ6 Pro. The SJCAM ASJ6 Pro is a great option for budget-conscious adventurers looking for high-quality action camera capabilities. This small camera, designed to capture the thrill of your excursions without breaking the bank, offers outstanding features for its low price point. With the SJ6 Pro's 4K Ultra HD video recording capabilities, you can immerse yourself in colorful and detailed footage, capture every adventure in breathtaking detail. With the ease of dual screens, you can precisely frame your photographs. The front-facing screen is ideal for vlogging or selfies, while the rear touchscreen makes menu navigation and playing easier. The SJ6 Pro has a wide-angle lens allowing you to capture more of the scene in each image. The lens provides a panoramic perspective whether you're bicycling down a route or snorkeling in crystal-clear waters. Even in high-action situations, the footage is smooth and stable. The image stabilization feature of the SJ6 Pro eliminates shaking and blurring. Number 4. Akaso V50X. The Akaso V50X is an outstanding budget-friendly action camera that is meant to capture your most adventurous experiences without breaking the bank. This tiny camera is packed with features that appeal to both novices and enthusiasts, and it performs admirably for the price. With the V50X's 4K Ultra HD video recording, you can dive into the realm of high-definition action footage. Capture your trips in crystal-clear detail and bright colors. Even in energetic and fast-paced events, enjoy smooth and shake-free video recordings. The EIS feature keeps your footage stable, lessening the impact of vibrations and movement. With the built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, you can easily control and share your material. Use the Akaso app to remotely control the camera and share your travels on social media. With confidence, take your V50X beneath the surface. Because of the waterproof construction, you can capture underwater memories, making it a great partner for water sports and aquatic activities. With the wide-angle lens, you can film more of the frame and capture more of the action. The 170-degree field of view ensures that no detail is missed in your photos. The V50X has a number of shooting modes, including time-lapse, burst photo, and slow motion, providing you the creative freedom to record your moments in a variety of ways. Don't let a short battery life keep you from having fun. The V50X has a long-lasting battery, allowing you to record more while worrying less about running out of power. The V50X is designed to resist the rigors of outdoor sports with a sturdy and compact design. Carry it with you wherever your adventures lead you and record as much as you like. With the V50X's user-friendly UI, you can easily navigate between settings and capture modes. The camera's intuitive controls make it simple for people of all skill levels to operate it and access its various capabilities. Through its dedicated app, the Akaso V50X provides smooth connectivity with your smartphone or tablet. Transfer and share photographs and videos instantly, and use your mobile device as a remote control for added convenience. With its versatile mounting options, the V50X may be adapted to any environment. The camera's compact size and supplied accessories make it simple to shoot distinctive viewpoints from every angle, whether attached to a helmet, bike, or handheld gimbal. Aside from video, the V50X excels at still photography. Using the camera's photo mode, you can capture bright, high-resolution images, ensuring that your memories are retained in fine detail. Connect an extra microphone to the V50X to improve your audio recording capabilities. This feature is especially useful for vloggers and content makers who value high-quality audio in their videos. The Akaso V50X exemplifies the idea that top-tier action camera features do not have to come at a premium price. It is aimed at people looking for a dependable, low-cost choice that does not sacrifice performance or functionality. Finally, the Akaso V50X is a flexible and affordable action camera with a variety of capabilities for capturing your experiences in style. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Pocket 2, the successor to the renowned DJI Osmo Pocket, is an amazing low-cost action camera built for those looking for high-quality video recording in a small package. It is likely that changes have been made in its 2024 edition since it was released in earlier years. The DJI Pocket 2 is pocket-sized, making it incredibly portable and ideal for on-the-go shooting. The 3-axis gimbal provides smooth and stable filming, ensuring that your recordings are free of shaking and jitters, even in dynamic or action-packed circumstances. The Pocket 2's camera sensor is capable of capturing clear and vivid 4K video footage. It may also have increased low-light performance for better results in low-light situations. The camera will most likely include a variety of shooting modes, such as time-lapse, slow motion, and hyperlapse, giving users creative alternatives for recording spectacular moments. The DJI Pocket 2 is excellent for both novices and experienced users, thanks to its user-friendly interface and easy controls. The addition of intelligent shooting modes makes it easier to capture professional-looking footage. Advanced audio recording facilities such as enhanced microphone technology or external audio input choices may be included in the camera, providing high-quality sound to complement the visual. Keeping up with modern standards, the DJI Pocket 2 is likely to include wireless connectivity options such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing for easy content sharing and remote control via a dedicated smartphone app. The DJI Pocket 2 is positioned as a low-cost solution, offering a compelling combination of features and performance without breaking the bank. For greater creativity and convenience, the DJI Pocket 2 may include artificial intelligence AI functions. This could include tools for automatic editing, smart tracking, and scene recognition to optimize settings based on the shooting location. The DJI Pocket 2 may enable modular accessories, allowing users to enhance its capabilities based on the success of its predecessor. Attachments for external microphones, wide-angle lenses, or other mounts for diverse shooting circumstances could be included. Expect improvements in battery efficiency, allowing users to shoot for longer periods of time. Users may be able to capture more footage on a single charge thanks to the improved power management mechanism. The camera may have an intelligent touchscreen display for rapid access to various shooting modes and easy navigation through settings. A snappy and user-friendly interface helps to ensure a smooth shooting experience. DJI will most likely continue to prioritize longevity and build quality. The Pocket 2 may have a sturdy build that can resist the rigors of outdoor activities, ensuring longevity and dependability. In accordance with current trends, the DJI Pocket 2 may include cloud integration features, allowing users to back up and view their information from anywhere. This would provide an additional level of convenience for those who are constantly on the move. Recognizing the importance of social media sharing, the camera may include capabilities that make it easier to post content directly to popular platforms, easing the sharing process. DJI is well known for offering firmware updates to improve device performance and capabilities. The Pocket 2 in 2024 may receive regular updates, ensuring that users continue to benefit from the most recent innovations and enhancements. Number 2. Insta360 Go 2. The Insta360 Go 2 is most likely a small and light action camera ideal for capturing experiences and moments on the go. It could have a compact form factor that allows it to be easily mounted on various surfaces, such as helmets, clothing, or other gear. The camera is supposed to record and capture high-quality video and images, as well as support capabilities such as 360-degree shooting and a wide-angle view for immersive content. The Insta360 Go 2 is expected to retain its tiny and portable form, making it ideal for users who value simplicity and ease of usage. Expect a number of mounting options to allow for creative and flexible placement of the camera for various activities. Advanced stabilization technology is frequently included with action cameras to ensure smooth footage even in dynamic and unstable settings. The camera may be constructed to withstand various weather conditions and may even be waterproof, allowing users to record footage while participating in water-based activities. The camera's interface will most likely be user-friendly, with simple controls and maybe app connection for remote control and content management. While it may not compete in terms of resolution with higher-end models, the Insta360 Go 2 should provide acceptable video and image quality for its pricing. The Insta360 Go 2's battery life might be improved, allowing users to capture more footage on a single charge. This is especially true for longer expeditions or constant recording. A newer sensor and enhanced image processing capabilities would increase image quality, low-light performance, and overall clarity in images and movies. For smooth integration with smartphones and tablets, expect the camera to include wireless connectivity choices such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This would allow users to remotely control the camera and rapidly share content on social media. The camera could incorporate time-lapse and slow-motion shooting modes as well as AI-powered functions for automatic editing or unique effects. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is expected to be a sophisticated and flexible low-cost action camera that builds on the success of its predecessors. It would almost certainly have amazing 4K video recording capabilities at high frame rates, ensuring smooth and detailed footage for a wide range of action-packed activities. To reduce shakiness and generate professional-looking videos, the camera may include advanced image stabilization technology. In terms of design, the Hero 10 Black would most likely retain GoPro's signature tiny and sturdy build, making it ideal for outdoor excursions. It could also have increased durability and water resistance, allowing users to capture moments in difficult circumstances. Furthermore, advances in image processing and sensor technology may lead to improved low-light performance and image quality overall. The camera could include a variety of shooting modes, such as time-lapse, burst, and slow motion, to meet a variety of creative purposes. That concludes our top 5 best budget action cameras in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.